Okay, guys, it happened. It's been almost a year and a half. Thought I was out of the woods, but no, it just snuck right up on me and bam, it hit. I had just done a lunch presentation and it did not go well due to technology issues. Actually, I bombed, and not just a little bit of bomb. It was like a full nuclear explosion kind of bomb. With me being a public speaker, I was mortified. Yeah, so that happened. As we headed home, my husband and I asked my husband if we could just have some quiet so I can calm down and get over it. And as I was driving, my husband's phone alarm went off. See, 3 o'clock is when he takes his medicine. It goes off every day at 3 o'clock. He couldn't turn the alarm off. Now that I'm thinking about it, that's not that unusual. Then swipe, then tap again, then swipe, 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 swipe. That's my husband trying to answer his phone every single time. Not just this time, but every time. You get the picture. I could feel it surfacing. The panic attack. I'm still driving, though. No, that's not good. I tried to grab his phone, and he jerks it back away from me. I couldn't reach it. Really? This went on for like a whole nother minute. The phone is still squealing. I jerked the steering wheel right into a strip mall parking lot. I don't even think I turned my blinker on. I ran over the curb, round one of, where the trees go in the parking lot. Guys, I don't even remember undoing my seatbelt. My car door came open before I even got stopped. Meanwhile, the phone's still going on, squawking with that stupid alarm. Standing there in the freezing weather, I actually felt like I was going insane. I couldn't breathe. Why didn't he just hit the power button so that dang phone would turn off? Another 30 seconds went by. The phone is still squealing. I stepped into a cafe and I waited probably another minute. Finally, my husband walks in and just drops the phone right in my lap. Yep, it was my phone that the alarm was going off. I don't have a 3 o'clock alarm. Why was my alarm going off? This really happened. This is a true story. Now, in the old days, this would have been a 3-day fight. But my husband and I have grown, and we sat and talked it out before we got back on the road. Everything was cool. He thought I was mad at him. I wasn't mad at him. I was just trying to keep from dying during this panic attack. Life happens, and it's unpredictable. The unexpected is right around every corner. If we keep the mindset and let these unexpected events just roll off our shoulders, looking back to see what lessons we have learned, then we grow stronger and stronger. Remember, find your direction in your quiet.